do you have any advice for young people who are aspiring to become monastics?
If young people, if you want to become monastic, then you have to first you have to know what the vow, what those things, and also you don't take, commitment for lifelong or very long. First you just try, maybe you can become monastic for 6 months first, or a year, or 3 years, something like that. And another important is, you should have some kind of vision or plan for how you do it. So important is, you're young, you have energy, maybe you have a long time, who knows, everything impermanent. But maybe first study, also important. Meditate, or maybe you can go to study some, there's in India and Nepal, there's a lot of, Sheda. You can join those and learn first. Then, at the same time, you can learn meditation practice. Then the future goal is to retreat. And then also you can help others also. If you become good monastic and you become very good, become role model for the Dharma. And also good for you. You have knowledge, you have experience. That's why then become very good. Otherwise, sometimes you want to become monk and nun, then you just become nun and being lazy, No practice, no meditation, and then waste time. And then sometimes no practice, no Dharma, and no world life. Could be danger also. Not very danger, but yeah.
Can I ask a quick question?
Yes.
Would I just study the Vinaya or to study anything?
In general, idea about what Vinaya a little bit, but and study anything. In Buddhism, there's 5 main texts. Yeah, Madhyamaga, the middle way, Pranchaparamita, the wisdom, Abhidharma, general things, and Vinaya, and the logic.